English coffee time. Words to use instead of very. Very cute. Adorable. Very cute. Adorable. Very dark. Lightless. Very dark. Lightless. Very realistic. Practical. Very realistic. Practical. Very deep. Profound. Very deep. Profound. Very bright. Luminous. Very bright. Luminous. Very bad. Atrocious. Very bad. Atrocious. Very busy. Overloaded. Very busy. Overloaded. Very calm. Serene. Very calm. Serene. Very careful. Cautious. Very careful. Cautious. Very charmed. Mesmerized. Very charmed. Mesmerized. Very cheap. Stingy. Very cheap. Stingy. Very colorful. Vibrant. Very colorful. Vibrant. Very complete. Comprehensive. Very complete. Comprehensive. Very competitive. Cutthroat. Very competitive. Cutthroat. Very confused. Perplexed. Very confused. Perplexed. Very conventional. Conservative. Very conventional. Conservative. Very core. Gist. Very core. Gist. Very depressed. Despondent. Very depressed. Despondent. Very detailed. Meticulous. Very detailed. Meticulous. Very big. Immense. Very big. Immense. Very boring. Dull. Very boring. Dull. Very brave. Courageous. Very brave. Courageous. Very dull. Tedious. Very dull. Tedious. Very easy. Smooth. Very easy. Smooth. Very empty. Desolate. Very empty. Desolate. Thank you for watching.